Hey guys, welcome to Quick Fix. So today in this video we'll look at how you can submit your job on BigQuery through Cloud Function and get the job ID of the submitted job. For that we will create a Cloud Function first, and then we will submit our BigQuery to BigQuery job and get the job ID. So for that I have created a folder GCP BigQuery job submit. It will be the Cloud Function name, and I have a main.py. Another file which I will need is requirement.txt, main.txt. Okay. So in this file, I will need one package, which will be for this demonstration. I will need only one library, which will be Google Cloud BigQuery. Okay, so file which I will need will be Google Cloud BigQuery. So I have written the Cloud BigQuery library in this requirement.txt. So let's begin with the code of a Cloud function. For that, first we will import the BigQuery. So to import, we will use the Google Cloud import BigQuery. Okay, and then we will create a main function, which will be def. Assuming we have an HTTP request for this cloud function, so I have created a function which will be BigQuery job submit. So now we will understand why the cloud function name is BigQuery job submit. Okay, so in that we will first write a BigQuery. So I have already written a code snippet for this. I will quickly paste this here. Okay, so first the method one will be we will have a SQL query, which is a simple BigQuery select star from the table name, and the SQL query to execute on BigQuery. This we will print, and we have a execute BigQuery, in which we will pass the SQL query, and this will return a query job. And from that query job, we will extract the job ID and the job location to check the logs. Okay, so now we will write a execute BigQuery function. So for this, I have already created a code snippet. I will quickly paste this here also for this. Okay, so this will be the code. First, what we will do is first we will create a BigQuery client through BigQuery.client, and then we will create a job config. Okay, so look carefully that first we have a client, then dot we have create job function, and in that job function we have created a job config. So job config, inside that we have a key value pair in which we have a query colon and another dictionary which contains a query dot query SQL. Okay, so this is our job config, and this will also create a submit job on BigQuery. So now we will just print what is the job ID of a query job submitted and the location. Okay, so by this we have submitted job on BigQuery, and how to access the job ID and job location is also printed here. So now we have another function which is a get status of a BQ job. This you can use like if your query is too long or it takes so much time, then it will help you to check the job ID continuously. Okay, so I have created another function which will check this for you. So for this also I have created a code snippet. I will quickly paste this here. This this you can use while recurring call to the cloud function to check whether your job is successful, done, or error. So job states are majorly are of three types: running, which is query is in progress processing; done when query is completed; and error if you have an error in your query. Okay, so how to get a job? Okay, so first we'll create a client, BigQuery client, and after that we'll check the get the job. So we have the job ID, the query job ID. We have passed the job ID and also the location. We have also passed the location. So it will check the job ID in that location and give you back the job state. Okay, so according to this, you can perform your further actions. And this is the code of your cloud function, which will check the BigQuery job submitted and how you can submit a job on the cloud function through cloud function on BigQuery. Okay. So I hope this video helped you, and if it helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye then. Bye bye.